Good evening, student. Today I am going to discuss the new chapter, trigonometry. Trigonometry. Tri means your three government side and metry measurement. So the measurement of the side of a triangle and its angle also. So measurement of the sides and angle of a triangle is called as trigonometry. What is trigonometry ratio? Sometimes it is called as P ratio. The ratio of the sides of the triangle with respect to its acute angle called as T ratio. Okay. Take a right angle triangle. It is suppose A, it is B, it is C. AC the longest side, called is your hypotenuse. It is measured by H. It is base. We take A is the base angle, B it is a perpendicular, P. Okay. Here A is the base angle. So what is the T ratio? If you take sin A, because sin is the base angle, sin A is equal to the opposite side under hypotenuse. It means perpendicular by hypotenuse. It means P by H. Similarly, cosec A, it means H by P. Then cos A, base B under P, B by P, that is. And sec A, B by H, that is, it is H by B. Okay. Now tan A, perpendicular by base, and cot A is equal to base by perpendicular. It is P by B, it is B by P, it is H by B, cos A B by H, cosec A H by P. The reciprocal of P by H. If you take A is the base angle. Similarly, talk about your T ratios. Since sin A is equal to P by H, that equal to 1 by h by p. So 1 by cosec a. Then sin a into cosec a is equal to 1. Similarly, cos a equal to b by h, that is equal to 1 by h by b, 1 by sec a. It means sec a and cos a is equal to 1. Number 3, your tan a is equal to p by b, that is equal to 1 by b by p, 1 by your cot a, or tan a into cot a is equal to 1. That is your base angle a. So this is the result from the ratio. Clear? Now come to solve some example. If it is 12 centimeter and it is your 5 centimeter, find sin a, tan a and cot a. Suppose that. Look here, the hypotenuse is missing here. So you take, it is your h value, it is your p, it is your b. So perpendicular is 12 centimeter, base is 5 centimeter. Find out h by using the Pythagoras theorem. P square plus b square. Here it is h square is equal to p square plus b square. Okay. So h is equal to p square plus b square root over, that is 12 square, 5 square, 144 plus 25, that is 169, that is your 13. So now find out sin a. Sin a, written as p by h, p is 12, h is now 13. Similarly here, tan a perpendicular by base, p is 12, b is 5, 12 of 5, cot a, b by p, 5 by 12. In this way, find out your ratio, trigonometric ratios, and also to find out your missing value. Take another example. Example number 2. A, B, C. If it is your 24 centimeter, it is 7 centimeter. Calculate your cos C, sec C and cosec C. Okay, now it is your base angle. Find the missing value h. You know that here P is equal to 24 centimeter, B is equal to 7 centimeter, h is equal to p square plus p square root over 24 square plus 7 square root over 576 plus 49, that is your 625 root over, that is 25. So it is your 25 centimeter. Now you have to find out the cos C. Cos C. C is your base angle. Cos C means B by H. Now it is your base, it is your hypotenuse. So B by H, B is 24, 25. Sec C, H by B, 25 by 24. Value of cosec C, your H by P, H by P. If it is base angle, what is perpendicular? The opposite side is your perpendicular. Okay. So it is your 25 by 7. Take another example. Number 3. If 3 tan theta is equal to 4, find 1 minus cos theta, 1 plus cos theta, 1 plus sin theta, 1 minus sin theta. Look here, if it theta angle perpendicular, it is base. So here tan theta is equal to given as 4 by 3. It means P by B. P is 4 and it is 3. We want to take ratio, then you can convert this value in terms of K. Like P is equal to 4K, B is equal to 3K. Now find out H. 4K square, 3K square, 16K square, 9K square. This is 25K square or 5K. So now put the value of the equation 1 minus cos theta, 1 plus cos theta. It is your 1 minus sin theta, 1 plus sin theta. So, after putting the value 1 minus cos theta. Cos theta is your, it is 3 by 5. It is 1 plus 3 by 5. Sin theta, it is 4 by 5. 1 minus 4 by 5. Applying A minus B into A plus B. That is 1 square. Here 5 square. 1 square or a 5 square. So 1 minus 9 by 25, 1 minus 16 by 25. So 25 minus 9 by 25 whole divided by 25 minus 16 by 25. Cancelling this value. Now it is 25 minus 9. This is your 16 and 25 minus 16. That is your 9. So it is your answer. So this is all about your T ratios. You try to solve the exact question based on your trigonometry ratios, and any doubt you ask me tomorrow at 9 AM.